Hi there, guys.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel,
Silver Fanatics.
Yes guys, we are back with another video.
Yeah guys, guess who's buying all the silver and gold?
Yes, it's the tech companies.
Yeah, all the tech companies, guys.
Yeah.
For an example, Tesla.
Yeah, and the banks.
The banks.
Yes.
The banks as well. And AI companies, guys.
That's true. Yeah,
and the solar companies as well. Let's
true.
not forget them as well.
Exactly.
Because they need silver. And we heard that they're starting to
privatize
some lithium. They started privatizing lithium,
it was
guys.
Peru and Mexico.
Yes, Mexico,
Peru.
Peru has already privatized the lithium, but Mexico is on the cards as well. Yeah, so it's those companies, guys, and they're rich.
That's true.
Yes, those people are the ones that are buying all silver and gold, guys. If those people are doing it, why don't we prepare, guys?
Yeah, because we have spoke about this in our previous video. Guys, let's prepare.
Yes,
the elites are buying silver and gold like crazy. Yes, why don't we do it?
Why don't this time around copy them, guys? Do what they do. Prepare for our family, guys.
That's true.
As they are also preparing, guys. Why can't we do it? Because we know about this thing.
Yes.
We it's not like it's something we don't know. If you are a staker, you should be knowing about this thing, because you must know that what you are doing, the reason. If you have a different reason, leave it on a comment below, guys.
That's true.
For us, our reason is to prepare and hedge for bad things that are going to happen in the future, guys. That's the reason why we are staking silver and gold, precious metal in general.
Yes, guys, that's true.
Yeah,
you can just buy one silver every month. Yeah, because that is our goal also, to buy silver every month.
If you haven't seen our video where we how we started, we bought one Kruger and
we started with one,
and we still have it. It's just that we don't have a chair on our position right now. We would have shown it. Yes, that is how we started. Silver, 1 ounce of silver.
That's true.
That month we bought that.
Yeah,
and
the following month we bought another one. The following month we bought another one.
Yes,
that's how we grow our stake. It's not magic. Yeah, so you can do it. We did it. We can just buy one silver a month, or one gold a month.
So if the elites, guys, if the so-called, I like to call them the so-called, if the so-called elite guys are doing it, who are we, you and I, that are not listening and do this right now? Follow the steps, guys. Who are we if we say we will not do it?
Yeah.
If the elites, the rich, the so-called elites are doing it, so who are we?
That's true. Because silver and gold will run out, especially silver. Will run out.
No, not even run out. Not even run out, guys. During the CBDC, guys, silver, I don't think you and I won't say everyone, I'll just say you and I don't think we'll be able to purchase it.
Yeah,
I will not be allowed.
The level that they would distribute us according.
They will divide. They will give us less benefits for purchasing power.
Yes, that's true.
So that is why I say you will not even get a chance to buy this ounce of silver, because this is an ounce of silver, a big 5 leopard.
Imagine you won't even get a chance to buy certain food that you used to eat. How much more if it comes to silver? Because
silver will be considered as investment.
That's true.
And they will not allow for that. Only the elite. That's what I believe. They will still continue staking more silver and gold.
I also think it's gonna be their fiat, gold and silver.
I think so, but I don't know.
That's gonna be their way to exchange their own goods and stuff. They will exchange it via gold and silver.
It will be for the rich.
For the rich.
Yeah, for the elites.
Not us. We will use the CBDC.
Yeah, we will use the CBDC, and whenever you try to purchase silver, it will take denied. Yeah. You are denied, your account jailed. Does not allow you, or something like that. But you will not be able to purchase silver and gold, guys. During that time.
We're not financial.
We are not
advisors, guys.
We're just having a talk on the internet, guys. If you're seeking professional financial, look for a professional, guys.
That's true.
But we are not financial advice. But 1 ounce of silver
a
month. Forget about that nice T-shirt that you always buy a month, or that nice pants, or those nice ring for 1 ounce of silver every month, guys. That is what we're just asking you to do. Just buy 1 ounce of silver every month. But we are not financial advice. But buy
just talking one
silver, 1 ounce of silver every month. Just not even this one, guys. This one is very expensive. You can go for a round. There's something that called a round, which you can go for, guys. That will be a best silver to buy at this time.
That's true.
That would be a best save. Just go for a round, guys. A 1 ounce, guys. That's all we ask for. Just 1 ounce every month. Just make a difference.
And see
for you and your family.
Do it for 3 months. You have 3 months.
We have not been following the rich all this time. Let's just do it this time around. Let's just follow them, guys. Do as they do. Not even this 1 ounce, guys. It's expensive as well. I like to consider these as numismatics. I like to consider these two as numismatics, guys, because of their price. They are way up there. Yes, guys.
That's true.
But a round would be a perfect silver to buy, guys.
That's true.
The best silver to buy would be a round. Not financial advice, guys, as we've always been mentioning.
When starting,
but just buy just 1 silver. Just a silver, 1 ounce of silver. Because I know many of you can afford it. It's just that you prefer to go for something else than a silver, you know. So just 1 ounce. Forget about that thing and just buy that 1 ounce.
And they are preparing for food. The elites. They're doing everything.
As you've just mentioned, that you will not be able to buy some of the food. You will be told that I think you bought this a lot this month. Just wait for next month.
I think
it's not good for your health.
Not good for your health. That's true, guys. It's gonna be tough, guys.
It's really gonna be tough. If you haven't seen our CBDC videos, guys, find them on our channel, guys. We've spoken about it
long ago.
A lot. Yes, guys. And a lot of things that we've spoken about on our channel have happened, guys.
They're coming to pass.
They are happening as we speak. And that is why we are saying
let's
buy
talk about it
an ounce of silver every month. I don't know how many times I've said that. Okay.
Let's just talk about it again, guys. It's more like a final warning.
Yeah, it is. It is. If you don't want to listen this time around, we don't know, because most of the things that we've spoken about have come true.
That's true.
They are happening. We spoke about CBDC happening. A lot of things on our channel we spoke about that are happening.
It's on its work. They were busy working on it. CBDC is part of Great Reset, obviously.
It is.
The robots are coming now.
It's an ally. Robots are coming.
What is it? GP Bunny? GP
something. We don't even use it, so that's why we don't know the name of it. Okay.
All right, guys.
We like to thank the subscribers, the new. Thank you so much.
Thank you for sticking along.
Yes, guys.
Pressing that button.
If you have reached this far, guys, I don't see a reason why not to subscribe.
Yes,
please.
Guys. For more news.
For more videos coming up. And please don't forget the like button as well.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.